Here's a video of a 15-year-old furnace that has been very much neglected. You can see how dirty everything is, including the fan compartment. All that dust that's in that fan compartment can blow through your ductwork into your house. Not to mention it can cause the furnace to quit working quite right because it blocks the sensors and makes them overheat over time. Take a look at the filter here and see how bad it looks. It doesn't look so bad. They probably replaced that when they knew I was coming. Again, this furnace needs a good cleaning and servicing.